Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MACK. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. What do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been tracking this chart very routinely, and again, like I said on Friday, it's pretty much a broken record. And you know, for those of you that didn't watch the video on Friday, it's a very logical thought on your part to say, Clay, why do you keep wasting your time with this thing that just keeps going down and down and down? Well, if you've traded for a while, you know that stocks that get beat up in a pretty quick amount of time, they can produce some very, very nice bounces. When the bounces come, well, that's always a $1 million question, but that's why I continue to do this, because as long as the price presents interesting opportunities of potential bottoms, keyword there definitely being potential, then, you know, I want to keep up with this, because yeah, big bounces can indeed happen. And going back to that word potential, well, what's the potential here at this point in time? Well, the price finally started to go sideways. Now, if you have watched my past videos, then you know that just because the price goes sideways does not mean it's any sort of bottom. I mean, this one has gone sideways there, but as you can see after today, you know, was not the bottom. Price broke through it. Went sideways a little bit there, obviously not the bottom. Price broke down through it. Again, started to go sideways, obviously not the bottom. Price broke down through it. So let me finish my arrow there. There we go. So just to get, because it goes sideways, that is by no means a guarantee. I wish trading was that easy, but there are no guarantees in the market. However, sideways action does suggest that, you know what, maybe there is finally enough buyers that are absorbing the selling pressure, and there's going to be some sort of bounce. So is this the bottom? Your guess is as good as mine. But once again, from a risk versus reward perspective, yeah, you can definitely structure a logical trade plan. I mean, if it bounces and you get a crazy bounce, well, you know, you could be looking at a whole lot of reward, but you can also keep your risk very tight. You know, assuming, of course, you can honor stop losses and all that good stuff, you know, based on the current setup. So if the event, or in the event this does start to bounce, key level that the bulls are going to have to fight through is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way downwards and pretty much act like a downtrending trend line. So if there is a bounce and the price can get through there, well, then that could really draw in quite a few eyeballs. But as it stands right now, you know, you got to look at it skeptical. But hey, price did start to go sideways. Enough buyers stepped in. Are the buyers finally here to create some sort of bounce or not? We shall see. But like I said, good risk versus reward, so I'll be keeping an eye on it. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.